Rising above the rugged Ayrshire coastline, the ruins of Dunure Castle stand as a silent witness to centuries of history, echoing with tales of power, intrigue, and resilience. This once mighty stronghold, perched upon its rocky outcrop, gazes eternally over the Firth of Clyde. Built in the 13th century, Dunure Castle served as a bastion of the Kennedy family, one of Scotland's most influential clans. Time has softened its grandeur, yet the enduring beauty of these weathered stones tells a story, one of battles fought, alliances forged, and lives lived within its now empty halls. Though the castle fell to ruin centuries ago, its essence lingers in every crack and crevice. Imagine the voices that once filled these walls, the clink of armor, the whispers of secrets shared under the cover of night. Beyond the castle, the wild Scottish coast stretches endlessly, where the meeting of land and sea reflects the unyielding spirit of this land and its people. Nestled close to the ruins of Dunure Castle lies a curious structure, a doocot, or dovecote, a testament to the ingenuity of medieval life. Built to house doves and pigeons, this beehive-shaped building served as a vital source of food and sustenance for the castle's inhabitants. Its distinctive tiered design, with small niches lining the interior, provided space for nesting birds, ensuring a steady supply of meat and eggs through even the harshest Scottish winters. Today, this ancient doocot stands as a humble reminder of the resourcefulness of those who lived here, complementing the grander story of Dunure Castle and its place in Scotland's history. As the day fades, Dunure Castle stands resolute, a monument to the passage of time. Its ruins remind us of the fleeting nature of human endeavors and the enduring power of the land we call home. Dunure Castle, where history meets the sea.